Good evening, students. Welcome back to our channel, Ach'z. I know that you all are waiting for today's exam review. Due to some climate problem, there was not network and all. That's why the videos got delayed. Sorry for that. Now, without further delay, we will discuss about the IELTS test review of 22nd March 2025, the last test date of this particular month. So as we mentioned in our preparation guide, the same pattern, and it's very happy to announce that all the passages which we collected from the students are from our reading ebook volume 2 and also the recent release volume 3. Not only in India, from GCC also we collected the information and the most of the passages from our reading ebooks only, and also the essays. So I'm so happy to say that. Now we will discuss about the listening module first. In part 1, it was fill-up type of question and the audio was a telephonic conversation. It was an inquiry call. Part 2, they got MCQs and matching type of question. Then part 3, again matching and selection of letter category. And the last portion, it was a fill-up type of question by hearing a monologue. Overall, the students mentioned that the listening section was super cool. And the audio also in the normal pace only. Now coming towards the reading module of academic first, the passages I like to mention: The Painters of Time, that's from our ebook volume 2, Children and Bilingualism related to the different types of languages. It's from our ebook volume 3, which we released recently, I think 2 days before only. So many students brought that. I hope it helps. Now coming towards the another passage, it's about ensuring the future food supply related to the meat and the non-veg items related to the future food supply. That's again from our second volume of ebook. I think the 19, passage 19 and all. So that's about the 3 different passages. Now coming towards the type of question, they got true, false not given, yes, no not given, matching type of question, in which paragraph contain this information, and also the list of item they want to select from the box, and MCQ type of question, and even fill-ups. These were the question categories altogether. Overall, it was in moderate level or easy to moderate, we can say. If you already know the passages, means definitely it will be easy for you. If you are not practiced with that, means sometimes it will be in moderate or moderate plus. Now coming towards the task 1 of academic module, I am saying about the first set. This report was by Hardeep. Thank you Hardeep for the update, who given the test today. And the task 1, it was a bar chart, and the chart shows the percentage of people born in and outside of Australia living in cities, towns and even rural areas, 1950 to 2010. So that's about the task 1. It was a bar graph as we mentioned. And task 2 from our essay ebook, rich countries often give money to poor countries, but it does not solve poverty. So developed countries should give other type of help to poor countries rather than financial aid. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here it's coming under opinion type essay only. It's better to write about the agreement and disagreement side. So you can just clearly mention about the importance of financial help and other type of help. That means in the form of any items or like the human resources. The people who are ready to work over there, means we can send the doctors, nurses, like that help, or any type of help during the calamities or the disaster, like we can just provide the clothings or food or even shelter for them. So that type of help also you can mention the importance of that. Now coming towards the reading of general module, they got the passages in connection with advertisement related to shops, then article about job security. One of the passage was related to the printing process, and another one related to English language study center and all. And the question categories were fill-ups were more, then MCQs, matching type of question. So that's about the reading of general module. And for general module candidate, the task 1, it was an informal letter, and task 2, many small local shops are closing as they are unable to compete with large supermarkets in the area. So how does this affect the local communities, and how could this situation be improved? So that's about the general module task 2. Okay, and now we will discuss the one question paper from GCC shared by Matthew. So in that, the reading passages for the academic humor based on recent research, that's from our ebook volume 2. The truth about the fast fashion, it's from our recent edition ebook volume 3. And again the last passage about walls, it's again from our ebook volume 3. And type of question, they got fill up type of question, 3 different set was there, and MCQs, matching type of question, and true false not given. So that's about the category of question. In that particular set, the task 1 was a table chart, and the question, number of students enrolled in different subject in a college in 3 different years. Very simple chart only. And I think in India, last month they asked this particular question. And coming towards the task 2, in some countries, owning a home rather than renting one is very important for people. Why might this be the case? Do you think this is a positive or negative development? Coming under 2-part type of question, or we can see direct question. Again, it's from our ebook only. So if you already have ebooks in your hand, try to cross check the sample answer, because we given the band 9 sample answer for each type of essay, that including the subheading also, what you can expect in the each and every paragraph. So try to go through that, then you will get an idea. Most of the time they will repeat the question. Even in the GCC they ask now means next month we can expect in India, like that sometimes it will repeat. So kindly go through the essay or prepare band 9 sample answer, then definitely it will help you out in your real exam if you are planning for the future. So that's it about the review of today's IELTS exam. I hope you all attended well, and all the very best for your results, and God bless you all. Try to watch on this space to get more IELTS related updates. Thank you.